Hello everyone! I am Jack. This is magic! Let's draw Angry Birds one by one. First we draw Chuck. Do you know? Chuck is the fastest in Angry Birds team. Don't forget to add those fierce eyebrows that make him look super focused. Alright, Chuck is done. If you think he's looking cool, smash the like button. Next up, let's draw red. Start with the big circle. Do you know? Red is the leader of Angry Birds team. If you don't want to make Red angry, go ahead and subscribe now. Alright, Red is almost completed. Wow, Red is looking good. Alright, let's draw Bomb. Draw a big circle for his body. He is definitely the biggest of the flock. Bomb is the powerhouse of Angry Birds team. Did you know that when he gets angry, he literally explodes? Oh my god, Bomb is looking so dangerous. Now draw the mischievous King Pig. His body is nice and round. Time for his crown. King Pig loves shiny things. Did you know King Pig's favorite food is eggs? Let's finish with a big goofy smile. Excellent! King Pig is looking funny. Next, let's draw the cute little bird. Start with a small circle for his body. Its beak is so small, it's almost too cute to handle. This little bird always looks curious and full of energy. Did you know? This bird might be small, but it packs a punch in the game. Done! This is looking so cute. Last but not least, let's draw the fabulous Stella. Start with a round circle for her body. Did you know? Stella has her own spin-off game where she's the hero? Also add her big, sparkling eyes. Don't forget to draw her long eyelashes. She's always the center of attention. Done! Stella is looking like a star. Wow! Look at that! We've completed all the birds. Let's color all the birds one by one. Let's start with Chuck. I hope you are enjoying it. Wow! Next up, red! red is red, like his name.
Wow!
Now it's time to color Bomb. Bomb will ready soon to explode into action.
Wow!
Finally, let's color King Pig.
Wow!
Now it's turn for the little one.
Wow!
Let's color Stella now.